know I love you.
So, first off, we're starting on freshly washed hair. So let me just do a spin, quick spins. Nice and kinky. I would say she has like 4C, maybe 4B hair. See if I can show you her coils. You see those? So I would say about 4C it actually looks like to me. Maybe 4B in some areas. Mostly 4C.
What's 4C? Right.
So it's just the pattern of your curl. Yours is coiled tightly. So we would say it would be about 4C, okay? Alright, so before we actually start the process, and mind you, I'm just getting off work, but this was something that needed to be done, so we have to do it, okay? Alright, so I'm going to section off her hair. What secret are you going to tell them?
Well, you want to get it done on Thursday because you want to relax after school on Friday.
Right, I'll need to relax on Friday. I don't want to spend my whole life doing your hair, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're sectioning her hair into 4 sections.
1, 2.
This is the first one. I'm just going to use a band. And you hear my other daughters in the living room, so just using a band. To section. This one.
I look cute with this cute little papa.
You do look cute. Well, Maddie, where are you talking like a baby? How old are you, Maddie?
I'm 7.
You're 7, so you're a big girl. Do you all hear this noise? Do y'all hear it?
It's my sister.
This is my everyday life, the noise. Welcome to the jungle.
It's a jungle and a house. Jungle and a house.
Now, I'm going to grab the blue magic grease. Some of you may not agree with this because of the mineral oil, but you got to do what works for you. Hello, somebody. So I'm just going to grease her scalp. Maddie, hold that for me. All right. Just going to go down the middle and grease.
My scalp looks pretty.
Just going to randomly section it off. Grease, boom. Okay. After her scalp is greased, for this particular section, I'm going to use our African Pride. Let me see if I can make sure that you're able to see that. Look at there.
African Pride.
African Pride Moisture Miracle. We need a miracle.
A miracle's here.
All right, so we got that. Apply some to this section. And this is the leave-in conditioner.
When you first put it in, it kind of makes your hair look white, but you have to actually rub it in.
You're right. And then I'm going to spray her hair with the heat protected hair polish.
Heat protected
for IC, I guess.
Heat protected hair polish. Because it kind of...
So close your eyes.
It's cold.
So I'm just going to spray it on this whole section. Okay. Now, this is the trick that I'll do to add a little bit more moisture. I'm going to just take some of this Blue Magic, put some in my hands, and we're going to slap it together and do the praying hands method. Lord, let this work out. As we say this prayer, pray for this hair. All right?
I'll pray.
Now we're going to blow dry it. And to blow dry it, I will be using the Revlon blow dryer, okay? Everybody's been raving about this blow dryer, and I actually really like it.
I'm a carefree black girl, can I just show y'all some love? I'm proud of who you are, that you living your truth. Ain't got no fear, I hear doing what you want. I love how you got that action, girl, and I can see your passion. Celebrate ourselves like it's the weekend. Step into the room like, ooh, she on the way. She feisty like that girl who be rocking with D-Way. He playing, she playing, they playing. Acting like they don't be feeling us. Complaining, they saying they mad just because they can't get a seat with us. Remember growing up in them young days with Lynn, Tony, Maya Jones. Watching Girlfriends with my sisters. Trying to get my Tracy Ellis Ross on. They wanna be down, can't keep up. On my Brandy, word to Moesha. Wanna act like they don't need us, even though they really wanna be us. Word to all my carefree black girls. Can I just show you?
Actually never blow out right here.
Yeah.
I thought you would never do it.
Because there's so many of you. So.
You wanted to do it now because you actually have done all of the hairstyles that you wanted to do.
To trim her hair, I have my shears, my hair shears. So I'm just going to look at the end of her hair. Let me pull it further. And you see where it kind of starts to coil up. We're going to just snip some off.
No.
Okay. Okay. All right. And I'm just going to take a section here. And where it seems like the ends are starting to split and it's kind of hanging over. Let me get closer so you all can see it. Actually, let me hold it up. Can you see that? Hold it that way. So, cut it off. Okay, you see that?
Why not here? This is how it's gonna look when you blow it out. Handmade. Just like that.
Okay. Now, to ensure that it stays stretched, I'm just going to put a band on it. Just going to band it down.
This didn't take very long. Because I wasn't crying like Taylor.
Like Taylor. Taylor's my difficult one.
She's the eldest.
Got some love. I'm proud of who you are, that you're living your truth. Ain't got no fear. I hear doing what you want. I love how you got that action, girl, and I can see your passion. Ooh, you got that black girl magic. Yeah, I love that black girl magic.
And when someone in the world gon' see that you amazing. Word to my moms, let her know she the bomb. Women need more love, man, they don't get enough. Respect to my princesses, queen, and the goddesses. I put on for my nieces, they melanin poppin'. If you didn't know, now you know. Black girls now, y'all so cold, y'all hair so fly, y'all swag so vicious. We all need haters, that means that you win this. So word to all my carefree black girls. Can I just show y'all some love? I'm proud of who you are, that you living your truth. Ain't got no fears, out here doing what you want. About the action, it's so attractive. Girl, I can see your passion. Ooh, you got that black girl magic. Yeah, I love that black girl magic.
Word to all my carefree black girls. Can I just show y'all some love? I'm proud of who you are, that you're living your truth. Ain't got no fear, out here doing what you want. I love how you got that action, girl, and I can see your passion. Ooh, you got that black girl magic. Yeah, I love that black girl magic.
Man, stop that.
So, and then when he grew up, he moved to New York. Then he started making puppets. And then Macy was so impressed. That's her name. Macy, she was so impressed with his work. So she hired him because everybody that works is immigrants. Even Tony Stark is an immigrant.
Who's an immigrant?
Immigrant means who's not from there.
Mm-hmm.
And he also moved to New York. And then down the street doing funny things, but they missed it. Mm-hmm. So now for Thanksgiving, they told Tony could they make a Thanksgiving parade. But at first, the balloons, the balloons were too small. And he used poles at first. Then, the balloons were medium, but the more people that came, the more crowds we had.
More crowds we had. Hey, baby.
And then they need to be like really high. So.
Alright, y'all. Just go ahead. I'll do it.
Sorry, Mommy.
Go ahead.
As a gonna say I'm still stuck to the screen. So it seems. So it seems.
I look pretty just like this. Can my hair just stay like this in the video? I mean in the photo shoot.
Yeah, once it, I'm gonna define
No,
it.
leave these in. You guys, I love my hair like this.
Do you?
I do.
Alright, thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope that you enjoyed. I hope you gathered some tips. And until next time,